Hey everyone, it's Ryder from Skip. I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday, March 22nd. I've got an amazing video for you today. It's short and sweet, but we have David, one of our funding experts, here with us. He is answering questions on how people are getting approved for SBA funding, EIDL funding, things that you should know about. You're going to want to watch this video till the end because of this. So if you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or are curious about the latest state of EIDL funding, this video is for you. Here is our current countdown clock. There's about $23 billion left in the EIDL pot of money. That's around 23 days left. We recalibrate this every single week when we get new information from the SBA. But this has been the consistent pace now for a few weeks, about $1 billion being approved every single day. The good news is approval letters from the SBA really picked up last week. David's going to talk about that in a minute. The moral of the story is you still have time to get approved for an increase, and many people still don't know that they are eligible for an increase. Wouldn't it be great if you could get an extra $10,000, $100,000, $500,000? We've helped a ton of people get the maximum loan amount, which is $2 million. If you want one-on-one help, go to helloskip.com/join. Again, this video is going to tell you why you should absolutely go try this out risk-free. Choose the premium option. Even if you don't think you're eligible for more SBA EIDL funding, there's other SBA funding, there's other grants out there. Also, we've got a huge video we are releasing tomorrow. We're helping one viewer of this channel get 1 million views. That's a quick teaser there. You'll see it tomorrow. But if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe so you can see that video when we publish it tomorrow. All right, here's David talking about some of the approvals, including some of the folks he's helped overcome denials and overcome reconsiderations to get EIDL funded.
We've been seeing a lot of approvals lately, and here's a couple of examples. So this approval here is someone that we've been working with for a few months. Originally, she was declined for the lack of repayment ability. And the way we were able to get around that is through add backs and minimizing the liabilities that show her schedule of liabilities. So at first, the loan officers were hesitant on the add backs, but over time, she finally got to one that was willing to work with her, and they allowed the add backs and they approved the maximum loan amount. All right, so this one got approved for $2 million. Originally, this was another lack of repayment ability decline. Besides add backs, we were able to find other income that wasn't reported to the SBA, or at least it wasn't reported in a way that they were able to use it. And with this extra income, they actually told them that they could get approved for somewhere between $1.6, $1.8 million. So they asked me, they said, well, do you think we should take this? And I said, I mean, you can take it, or you can just tell them that you should have enough income to go for the full 2 million. So they kept pushing and pushing on their end, and they finally got an approval for the 2 million. So instead of getting 1.6 to 1.8, they actually got the full $2 million. All right. So this one here, he had gotten his initial loan amount. Then he was told that he's at his 24-month max for the loan. So they basically told him he was maxed out. What ended up happening was, he told me, I looked at the numbers, he told me when his business started. It started mid 2019. So what we were able to do was create a multiple for what he earned in 2019, multiply that to equal 24 months. And we sent them that number to the SBA, and they agreed with us and gave him the exact number that we sent them. So for this increase, there's a potential for more, so we're going after it. To request an increase, even after you've gotten a loan, or if you've just gotten another increase, there's a couple ways to go about it. So, sometimes in your portal, there'll be a button to request more funds. That's usually the easiest way. Press the button, add the documents that they're requesting, good to go. The other way is you send an email to COVID increase requests at sba.gov, and you just tell them, please increase me to this amount. And a lot of times you have to send some type of supporting documents depending on what level you go to for the increase. So for example, if you go over 500,000, but you're under 500,000 before, a lot of times you're gonna have to add a personal financial statement, real estate collateral property list, schedule of liabilities. They'll probably have it, but if it's been a while, you want to send another one. That 4506T, you're gonna want to send another one of those too, since those expire. But those are the two main ways. We have tons of success stories of people that have gotten multiple denials, multiple declination letters. And the main thing is don't give up. Just keep going until the money runs out.
As David said, just keep going until funding runs out. Huge thank you to David on our concierge team and to our entire team of funding experts. Really incredible to have such an amazing team and help so many people get funding to grow their business. Now more than ever, it's critically important. There are 32 million small businesses in the US, and there's going to be millions more. And 2022 is going to be a record year for new small businesses. If you need help, helloskip.com/join. Stay tuned for our big announcement tomorrow, helping someone get 1 million views for their website or business. Most importantly, stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.